Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name is Rebecca and I've got a very exciting unboxing today. I may be a little bit late to this party because these arrived while I was in Australia, but I have the new Chart to Art paintings from Diamond Art Studio. I do have two different ones. They will be different unboxings because I think they deserve their own light. But I don't know which one this one is. Because they are so beautifully wrapped. Now, quite often, Sam does just put a little label on to tell me which one's which. But this time, I'm guessing she was crazy busy. She had pre-orders coming out of her ears, moving, all sorts of stuff going on. But that's fine because it's a surprise for me as to which one this is. So let's get this gorgeous package unwrapped. We've got the little Indie approved sticker on the back. I'm very excited. I absolutely love doing these. I love doing all the Chart to Art ones. I don't care what the images are. I mean, don't get me wrong, all the images have been absolutely stunning, but I think even if there was an image I didn't like, I think I'd just still enjoy doing the process that much that I wouldn't care. I just love them. So I'm trying to be nice to this paper here, you see, because if you're nice to the paper and you have that unexpected birthday come up, this paper is perfect for it. Absolutely perfect. So I'm going to keep that to one side and that's going to go in my gift drawer. And here we have the box. So we have Diamond Art Studio Chart to Art. Which one do we have? Oh, Ghosts Doing Stuff. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm excited for both, but these ghosts are just adorable. So I will pop a link down below to their website. There's also my discount code there as well if you want to use that. But they do have a preview. So just one is a preview so that you can get the general idea for this one. But so this one does come with the paper charts, though I'm pretty sure they are moving to just online, so you can still print them out, or they are Pattern Keeper adaptable or compatible. That's the word. Pattern Keeper compatible. So you can put the charts into Pattern Keeper and do it from there, which is the way I do all of mine. But for now, they all do come with the charts in envelopes. So there is instructions in relation to it. So the canvas has, each envelope contains a chart, and the canvas has doors outlined with pre-printed symbols. So just to show you, this is the canvas. We will have a look at everything else momentarily, but this is the canvas. So each canvas is different. So with my floral surprise that I'm currently doing, where there is symbols on the chart, they're all different because the whole thing makes up a full picture. But in this one, they are all one symbol, which is actually a Diamond Industrial 947. So it is all this symbol in square. So if you wanted, you could do the whole lot. In fact, that might be quite nice to do the whole amount and then cover paper up your little sections and undo them that way. So each door is one of these. So this is one door, this is the second door. That's what you use your charts for. Each chart is the same size and they will fit in any of the doors. So these are all exactly the same size. When they have done it, they have charted it in this order, so 1 to 5. However, this set is interchangeable. Now, it's worth paying attention as to whether it is or it isn't. So Floral Surprise, which I'm currently doing, is not interchangeable because each section makes up part of the bigger picture. Whereas these, and you'll see in the example, is these are individual teeny tiny ghosts. They're adorable teeny tiny ghosts. And the artist that they've worked with for this one is Teeny Weeny Crossstitch. And if you've ever looked, that is a rabbit hole you'll never get out of. But each insert comes with a chart. And basically, this is what would normally be printed on here. And the idea is that you transfer from here to here. Very similar to Counted Cross Stitch. It's a really fun, different way to do a diamond painting. It just has a different feel to it. It's very similar to my Heaven and Earth design. But of course, the chart to art has more twists to it. One, they tend to be a lot smaller in relation to like my mini painting is 46 by 82, so it's a fairly big one. There are some big ones in the chart to art, but I don't think they reach that big. This one is 40 by 45, so of course a fair amount smaller. And in the chart to art, they give you little sections to complete, so they're like little chunk size sections to complete, which I absolutely adore them. I have so much fun doing these. It's unreal. So yeah, these are individual ones. So in these you could do each individual one, then you could decide to chop it out. And of course some of them make big pictures. Some of them have different borders on. So if we remember the one that I've given to Megan to do, the Halloween one, had a completely different border to this. So her imagination keeps going wild. But anyway, you do also get a separate colour list with this. So if you want to keep your chart, move your chart and your colour list about, you can. Just don't put it on the sticky. There are 26 different colours. 5 of them are diamond dust, which is amazing because I am, as you may all know, I am obsessed with diamond dust. So you do get your sticker sheet. This is Ghost Doing Stuff by Teeny Weeny Crossstitch. We've got the sticker sheet ready to go. And we've got the diamonds. I want to see which ones are diamond dust. So this will give you a brief overview on the sorts of colours that are in this painting. If you are a little bit unsure. Once I do finish chart to art paintings, I do showcase them to you with plenty of warning in case you have it yourself. And I know some people prefer to see it. I'm not sure when I'll get to this one. Where are my diamond dust? Oh, here we go. Ooh, there's a few. So we have 947. So this is a gorgeous orange. This is actually the one that is the border. It may well be used inside it as well, but it's definitely on the border. Then we have 820. We actually have 3 bags of 820, and most of them you seem to be seeing the back. So it's not showcasing the diamond dust as well. It's like the back of the drills are stuck to the front, but believe me, they are shiny. They are shiny. Then we have 703, which is a gorgeous limey green. Beautiful glitter effect on that one. And we have 701 as well. That's got a gorgeous shine to it. And if that's not enough, we also have 699, which is a beautiful deep green. So quite a few diamond dust drills in there to keep you going. I was going to see if I could get this back in the way it was, to go back in the back. Oh, maybe. Okay, things are looking up. But you can see the other colours that we have in there. So we have purples, reds, orange. So it's quite a nice bright one. We do have some 939. We have 4 bags of 939. But that's as dark as it goes. Yes, it is. That's as dark as it goes. And as I say, you can get, once you've purchased this, or if you purchase any chart to art kits, you can download the charts off their website to be able to pop them into Pattern Keeper the same way I do with my Heaven and Earth design, which I did yesterday. And it means that you can mark them off as you go along. It also works in markup on iPad, on iOS. Trying to think of the name. But yeah, this one is Ghosts Doing Stuff. I'll pop a link to the chart to arts in general so that you can have a look. Some of them have examples to show you like an example of one. So for Ghosts Doing Stuff, you do get a preview. I'm just going to pull over my laptop because I've got it up here. You do get one preview on, so you get the sort of gist of what they look like, and then the rest are all a surprise. There is 20 different images on this one. It has 26 colours, including 4 diamond dust drills. And this one works out at £55, which, especially, I think it's a bargain anyway, but you can get that under 50 if you use my code from down below to get yourself a few while you're there. But yeah, very excited for this one, potentially go in the mix. I need to get my floral surprise finished. But yeah, let me know. Are you a chart to art lover, or is it too much for you? Let me know in the comments down below. It's not for everybody, but I know there are many, many people that absolutely adore it like I do. And maybe slightly addicted to these, a bit like paint jam. I need them all. I need all of them because they're so much fun. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.